Welcome student. Today we will start exercise 10.3 question number 6. Now here we are going to solve the problem sums. The cost of a wristwatch is rupees 875.25. Find the cost of 76 watches. Now here what we have to find out, here the cost of one watch is already given. Here one is not mentioned, but we can understand that we are talking about to the one watch which cost 875.25 rupees. Now we have to find out the cost of 76 such watches. So what we should do, we have to write like this: watches and cost. Why we have written cost here on the right hand side? Because we have to find out the total rupees. So one watch will be this much, so 76 watch will be how much? Now we will do cross multiplication. 76 multiplied by 875.25. Now here I will do multiplication. As you know, you got lots of practice of multiplication ahead. We have solved so many sums, okay? So we will always start from here, the last. So 6 5 is 30. So 0 3 carry, 6 2 is 12, 13 14 15, 5 1 carry, 6 5 is 30, 31 3 carry. Now here 3. Now 6 7 is 42, 42 plus 3 will be 45, 4 carry, 5 here, 6 8 is 48, 49, 50, 52. So here I have written 52. Now I'll take this. So with when we start with the help of here, we have to keep 1 0 because here one digit is there. So 7 5 is 35, 5 3 carry, 7 2 is 14, 15 16 17, 7 1 carry, 7 5 is 35, 36 3 carry, 7 7 is 49, 50, 51, 52. Here 2 5 will be carry, okay? 7 8 is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 and 61. So we will write down 61. Here we will keep one extra 0. Now we have to do total. So 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 6 plus 5 will be 11, 1 carry, 2, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 and 0 plus 6 will be 6. Now decimal, here 2 decimals are there, here 0 there. So we have to mention it, and 2 plus 0 will give you 2. So here 1 and 2. So here decimal should come. So what will be my answer? So the cost of 76 watches is 66,519 rupees. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 7. An auto driver charges rupees 8.35 per kilometer. Means 1 kilometer, when you will take an auto for 1 kilometer, you will have to pay 8.35. So how much will be charged for a journey of 17.9 kilometer? Now here kilometer is used 2 times. And we have to find out the charge. Charge means money. How much money it will cost. So what I should do, here rupees I will write on the right hand side. So 1 kilometer will be 8.35. So 17.9 will be how much? Now cross multiplication we will do. So we have to multiply. Okay. So we will start with the help of 9. So 9 5s are 45, 5 4 carry, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, here 1 3 carry. 9 8s are 72, 73, 74, 75. So here I have written 75. Now I'll take 7, so I have to put 1 0. 7 5s are 35, so 5 here 3 carry. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 here 2 carry. Okay. Now again 7 8s are 56, 57, 58. So here I have written 58. Now I will take this 1. So I have to put 2 zeros. So 1 2. 1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3. 1 8s are 8. We have to do addition. So 5 plus 0 will give me 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 10 14 4 1 carry. 7 plus 8 15 16 17 18 19. So 9 1 carry. 5 6 plus 8 will be 14. Now here how many decimals there? So 2. Here how many? 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So I have to start from here. 1 2 and 3. So what will be my answer? 149.465 rupees will be charged for a journey of 17.9 kilometer. Now we will go to question number 8. A car can cover a distance of 19.5 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. Means if 1 liter of petrol is there, so the car can cover 19.5 kilometer. So how far can it go on 27.75 liter of petrol? If you are having this much petrol in your car, so how much it will drive more? So here what we need to find out? Kilometers. So I will keep it here. So petrol kilometer. 1 liter of petrol will be 19.5. So 27.75 liter of petrol will be how much? So here again I have to do cross multiplication of 27.75 multiplied by 19.5. So here I will start with the help of 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 5. 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. So 3 carry. Again 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 38. 8 3 carry. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have written 13. Now I'll take 9 table. So here I'll put 0. 9 5s are 45. So 5 and 4. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4 67. So 6 carry 7 here. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 6 will be 69. So 9 here, 6 here. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 24. So 1 0 will come. Now I will take 1. So I have to put 2 zeros. 2 zeros. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. Now I will do addition. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. 7 plus 5 12. So 2 1 carry. 8 9 10 16 plus 5 will be 21. So 1 2 carry. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 7 21. So 1 2 carry. 2 3 plus 7. 7 plus 7 14. So 4 1 carry. 1 2 3 4 5. So here 5. Now here how many decimals are there? Can you see? 1 and 2. So 2 decimal. Here how many? 1 decimal. So 2 plus 1 will give me 3 decimal. So 1, 2 and 3. So what will be my answer then? 541.125 kilometer far it can go on 27.75 liter of petrol. Means by this you can understood, so that how much petrol will be there, that much it will drive. Okay. Now we will go to question number 9. So question number 9, Amrit bought 2 dozens of pen, each costing rupees 14.75. Now you know, every time after summer vacation, mostly you and your parents do the shopping for your school, because new academic year will start. So you need so many pens, pencil, notebook and everything. Okay. So here we will make the list. Okay. So what we want, this boy, what he want? So he want 2 dozen of pen. Okay. And he want 4 dozen of notebooks. Now how much amount he will pay to the shopkeeper? If one pen is costing 14.75 and one notebook cost 11.05. Okay. So how we are going to find? Orally we cannot do. So first I'll take pen. Okay. So pen, one pen is this much. So 24. Why 24 I have written in the question? There is a 2 dozen. So 1 dozen means 12. So 2 dozen will be 12 2s are 24. So 24 will come, and how much? Now we will do cross multiplication. So it will be 14.75 multiplied by 24. Now here we will do multiplication. As you know how you can do multiplication. Now you are very familiar to do with multiplication. Okay. So 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. Now here 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 28, 29, 30. So 0, 3, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 9, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now I will take 2. So 1, 0 I will put first. So 2 5s are 10. So 0 and 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 1s are 2. Now here 1 extra 0 I will keep. Now I have to do addition. So 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 9 plus 5 will be 14. 1 carry. 9, 10, 15. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. Now here how many decimals are there? 2. Here no decimal. So total will be how much? 2 decimal. So my answer is 354 rupees. But I cannot write the answer directly. This amount I have to pay to the shopkeeper. No, yet amount is left of notebook. So I will find out about the notebook. So here my notebooks are there. So if one notebook cost 11.05 rupees. So now here in the question 4 dozen is there. So why I have written 48 here? Because 12 4s are 48. So 48 will be how much? So again I will do cross multiplication. 48 multiplied by 11.05. Now here we will start. 8 5s are 40. So 0, 4 carry. 8 zeros are 0. So 4 will remain same. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Now here I will put for 0 so that I should not get confused. Okay. Now I will take 4 5s are 20. Now here 0, 2 will be carry. Okay, 4 zeros are 0. So 2 here it will come. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now here how many decimals I have used? So 2 decimals I have used. Here it is already there. And here how many decimal is there? No decimal. 0 decimals are there. Okay. So here 2 plus 0 will be 2 decimal. So now my answer is what of the notebook? 530.40 rupees. Now this amount I have to pay to the shopkeeper? No. I have to pay the total amount. So we will do now total. Okay. So 354 is the cost of pen and 530.40 is the cost of notebook. So total we have to find out. We have to do addition. Okay. So for addition, what I should do here, I have to put first of all in a straight line. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. And decimal should come in a straight line. So 884.40 rupees should be paid to the shopkeeper. I hope you have understood this sums. Thank you.